Please type your name first. Then you may ask me questions or click on a keyword. But I know a lot about sensible investing. My knowledge is based on the writings of Warren Buffett. Ask me a question. You may type in a keyword, or type in another question. You can also choose to click on a keyword on the left-hand side. We define intrinsic value as the discounted value of the cash that can be taken out of a business during its remaining life. Anyone calculating intrinsic value necessarily comes up with a highly subjective figure that will change both as estimates of future cash flows are revised and as interest rates move. We believe that our formula, the purchase at sensible prices of businesses that have good underlying economics and are run by honest and able people, is certain to produce reasonable success. Teach me, okay, but which filter are you thinking about? Type U for understanding, SCA for sustainable competitive advantage, ATM for able and trustworthy management, or MOS for margin of safety. You understand the business and its products. Our goal is to acquire either part or all of businesses that we believe we understand, that have good, sustainable underlying economics, and that are run by managers whom we like, admire, and trust. Do you want to know more? Yes, okay, let's play. What do you want to talk about next? USCA, ATM, or MOS? SCA. At Borheims we attract business nationwide because we have several advantages that competitors can't match. The most important item in the equation is our operating costs, which run about 18% of sales, compared to 40% or so at the typical competitor. ATM. I like managers who are able and trustworthy. If the controlling owner is intelligent and self-confident, he will make decisions in respect to management that are meritocratic and pro-shareholder. Do you wish to know more? Why, yes, you seem positive. Must an intrinsic value significantly below the market price give you a margin of safety? In the final chapter of The Intelligent Investor, Ben Graham wrote, confronted with a challenge to distill the secret of sound investment into 3 words, we venture the motto, margin of safety. Many years after reading that, I still think those are the right 3 words. The failure of investors to heed this simple message caused them staggering losses. Consider allocation. Accounting consequences do not influence our operating or capital allocation decisions. When acquisition costs are similar, we much prefer to purchase $2 of earnings that is not reportable by us under standard accounting principles than to purchase $1 of earnings that is reportable. This is precisely the choice that often faces us since entire businesses, whose earnings will be fully reportable, frequently sell for double the pro rata price of small portions, whose earnings will be largely unreportable. In aggregate and over time, we expect the unreported earnings to be fully reflected in our intrinsic business value through capital gains.